Hi dear students, hope all are fine and safe at your home. In the last class, we have studied a new chapter, chapter 7, and we have discussed what is JFractions Lab. We have used an application called JFraction Lab, and also we have studied how to open JFraction Lab, and we have done an activity, a game comparing fraction, and I have shown you some examples for comparing fraction, and I have introduced you to change the language from Malayalam to English, and also I have introduced to you some of the buttons like continue button, end button, and so on. And also you will be awarded 1 point when you are playing with the diagram. If you are playing without the diagram, you will get 2 points. So before going to the next topic, let me give you a quick revision of the last class. So we are using an application called JFraction Lab. So tell me, my dear students, how to open JFraction Lab? Yes, first you have to go to applications at the top left corner. Here you can see education, and inside education you can see JFraction Lab. Click on that. Now when it opens, it will be in other languages like Malayalam and all. What you have to do to change it into English, at the top left corner you can see an option called language. Click on the language menu, and here you have to choose the appropriate language, English. And here there are so many games. In our syllabus we are having only this third one, comparing fraction, and the 10th one, adding fraction. So first I will take this comparing fraction. Click OK. So I will show you how to play without diagram. At the top left corner you can see an option called options. Options menu. Can you see here? Click on that, and you can see an option here, hide pie chart. Click on that. Now the pictures are hidden here. Here they have given two fractions, 2 by 10 and 2 by 9. So which one is the answer, greater than or equal to or less than? Yes, the answer is less than. Okay, so we have got that is correct. So we have played without diagram, so we have got 2 points. You got, my dear students? Okay. Now here also you can see 3 buttons. Continue button, as I have told you earlier, to continue the game, end button to stop the game, and hint button if you are having any doubts on this game, you can click on hint button. So we will check it by continuing the game. So here you are having a doubt, then you can click on hint button. So it will show you the picture, because we are playing without the picture. So if you click on hint button, it will show the picture. Okay student, now I am going to end this. Now let us play this adding fractions. So while playing this game, you only use return key. Can you see here? It is written here, use the return key. Return key is nothing but in your keyboard the enter key, and the number keys are nothing but 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 0. Okay, so you only use return key, don't want to use your mouse, only use return key. Return key is nothing but the enter key in our keyboard and only the numbers. So already the cursor is blinking here. So the question is 1 by 6 plus 3 by 4. So here, as I have already told you, this game is based on the LCM. You have already studied LCM in your previous classes. So 1 by 6 plus 3 by 4, what is the LCM here? Tell me, my dear students. Yes, the least common multiplier is 12. So it will be automatically filled, these fields. Okay, these boxes will automatically filled. This is denominator. Okay, now we need to fill these numerators. Okay, so on this 12, how many times this 6 will go? 6 into 2, 12, right? So 2 into 1, so here 2. And on this 12, how many times 4 will be multiplied? Yes, 3 times. So 3 into this 3 will give you 9. Okay, so what will be the answer here? Final answer, 2 plus 9 is 11. So 11 by 12 is the answer. So click on enter. So you can get 1 point here. I'll explain one more. Please listen. This is the question here, 6 by 10 plus 5 by 7. So you all know this is denominator and this box is numerator. So the cursor will be here. You don't want to use mouse, only the enter key in your keyboard. So first you have to enter here a value. Okay, so what will be the LCM of 10 and 7? Yes, 10 into 7, 70. You type that 70 and you press enter key in your keyboard. So these boxes will be automatically filled because the denominator is 70. Now we need to fill the numerator boxes. Okay, so the cursor is automatically blinking here. We need to enter in this box a value, the correct answer. So in this denominator 70 or LCM 70, how many times this 10 will go? Yes, 7 times. So 7 into this numerator value 6, that is 7 into 6, 42. Again, in this 70, denominator 70, how many times this 7 will go? Yes, 10 times. 10 into 7, 70, right? So 10 into this numerator value 5. 10 into 5, 50. And you press enter key. Now you add these two. 50 plus 42, what is the answer? 92. And you press enter key. Answer is 92 by 70. Press enter key. You don't want to reduce, you just give no. Okay, don't want to reduce now. No, give no. So automatically here 1 point is added. Okay, so don't use your mouse, you just press enter key and numbers. I will show you one more. I am going to continue here. Here the question is 2 by 8 plus 2 by 3. So the cursor is blinking here. You have to type here 8 into 3, 24 is the least common one, and press enter key. So these boxes will be automatically filled. Now the cursor is blinking here, you have to type here the correct answer. So in this 24, how many times 8 will go? Yes, 3 times, right? So 3 into this numerator value 2, 3 into 2, 6. And don't want to use mouse, you press enter key in your keyboard. Now you want to fill in this box, automatically the cursor will come here. So in this 24, how many times 3 will go? Yes, 8 times. So 8 into this numerator value 2, 8 into 2, 16, and you press enter key. Now 6 plus 16 is 22. This 6 plus this 16 is 22. So 22 by 24 is the answer, and you press enter key. In this dialog box you press no. So automatically this point will increase here. So this is how we are finding the LCM. So please try this. You just revise your LCM portions in your mathematics class. If you are finding any difficulty, please tell me, or you can ask your mathematics teacher. So if you want to stop the game, you can use end button here. So here near to this adding fraction you can see the score 3 marks. Okay, so hope all are clear about today's class. If you are finding any difficulty in LCM, finding the LCM, you can ask your mathematics teacher, or I will give you a video. Okay students, thank you very much.